Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize job stress with BetterHelp, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding job stress is vital for maintaining mental well-being. Recognizing the signs of job stress can help you address the issue effectively. Begin by assessing your current stress levels. Take a moment to identify specific stressors in your work environment. Consider factors such as workload, relationships with colleagues, and job role clarity. Next, explore BetterHelp as a resource for managing stress. Visit the BetterHelp website and familiarize yourself with their services. Create an account and answer the questionnaire to match with a professional. This questionnaire will help BetterHelp understand your specific needs. Once matched, schedule your first session with a licensed therapist. In your session, openly discuss your job stress. Your therapist will guide you through personalized coping strategies. Take notes on techniques and tools that resonate with you. Incorporate these strategies into your daily routine at work. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques recommended by your therapist. Stay consistent by scheduling follow-up sessions for ongoing support. Monitor your progress and adjust your coping strategies as necessary. Celebrate small victories as you navigate through your job stress. Share your experiences with trusted colleagues or friends if you feel comfortable. Cultivating a support system can enhance your coping abilities. Remember, it's okay to seek help when you feel overwhelmed. With BetterHelp support, you can develop healthier ways to manage job stress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.